this video lesson, you will learn and practice how to respond naturally to everyday English phrases. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Morning. Hope you have a great day ahead. Sorry. It's okay. No worries. Sorry. That's okay. Thank you. No problem. Glad to help. Goodbye. Goodbye. Take care. Welcome. It's my pleasure. I love it. That's great to hear. You are late. I'm sorry about that. It won't happen again. I don't understand. Let me explain it again. I'm not sure. That's okay. Take your time to decide. I'm leaving now. Alright, see you later. Let me know. Sure, I will keep you updated. That movie was great. Yes, I really enjoyed it too. Goodbye. Bye. See you later. I'm sad. Oh no, what happened? What day is it today? Today is Monday. I didn't mean to upset you. It's alright. I understand. Have a nice day. Thank you. You too. See you later. Sure. See you soon. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. I'm sorry to hear that. Thank you. I appreciate your concern. See you soon. Looking forward to it. Can you repeat that? Sure. Let me say it again. What do you think? I think it's a great idea. Sorry for the mistake. No worries. Everyone makes mistakes. Can you speak more slowly? Sure, no problem. What are you doing? I'm studying English. Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready. How far is it? It's about 5 minutes away. When do I start? You will start at 5 p.m. Do you want to go to the doctor? Yes, I do. When will she be back? She will be back in 15 minutes. Anything else? Nothing else. How can I get to the bus stop? Turn left and go straight ahead. Do you have any vacancies? Sorry, we don't have any vacancies. I don't know. No problem, we can find out. How is it going? Pretty good. What about you? Sorry, I'm late. No worries. Great job. Thank you. I worked hard on it. I missed you. I missed you too. Congratulations. Thank you so much. Where are you? I'm on my way. Where are you? Can I join you? Sure. You are welcome to join. Take care. Thanks. You take care as well. Good luck. Thank you. I will do my best. What's up? All good. What's going on with you? It's okay. Thank you for understanding. I'm tired. I understand. Hope you feel better after some rest. Did you eat? Yes, I did. Do you agree? Yes, I completely agree with you. Is there anything else? No, that's all for now. I'm running late. That's okay. Take your time. This is too expensive. Let's look for a cheaper option. I'm working on it right now. Let me know if you need any assistance. Feel free to ask me anything. Thank you. I will. That's incredible. I know, right? I can't believe it. Let's meet at 11 a.m. Perfect. I will be there. Can I borrow your pen? Sure. Here you go. I'm a bit stressed. Take a deep breath and relax.